Riri mihango ya mathomo mathukuru-ini ma university cia muingi guku bururi-ini mathararite kwa makiria mieri eri kumana na mugomo wa arutani kugerera kiama kia UASU. Riu thirikari ni thingatitwo ikirire gwetha kihonia kia mugomo uyu.
This is just but the simple reality of the mismanagement this country is experiencing at the very top.
Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Machakos inde igongona ria kuhumba thumbi mbeu njithi makirikia mathomo ma kothi ngurani iria mararugamirio ni thirikari ya kaunti iyo. Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka augite thirikari ni yonanitie ndiri na wendi wa kunina mugomo uyu, kuona handu ha kuriha arutani mbeca iria maretia thirikari irahuthira mamilioni ma mbeca mihango-ini ya giuteti itari na kiguni.
You cannot keep our university lecturers in the street. These are some of our best minds. But on the one hand, you are able to get your agents collect sometimes 6,000 to 10,000 people to State House, bribe them with 10,000 shillings each. Now, if you cumulatively took that into account, the amount you are spending on bribing Kenyans, that is enough to pay university lecturers and to get our university students to go back to school.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni, thirikari ndironania wirutiri wa kuigana kunina mugomo uyu ona thengia wa mateta marutwo na arutani ya university.
As a party, we are horrified by the fact that the university's lecturers strike is still on, and we do not see any concern from the government. We call upon the government to ensure that they enter into dialogue with the lecturers and the leadership of the university to ensure that our students are back in class, because we do not want them to continue losing out on their education.
Handu-ini hake gavana wa Kericho Eric Mutai ni augite ni kiha kuona arutwo university merekeire gute semester ngima ya mathomo mao mwaka uyu kumana na mugomo ungiagirerekire.
Realizing that the nation has just come from a very tough economic time, I would wish to appeal to both UASU and the Ministry of Education to climb down and be able to agree on the negotiations so that we have our children back to school and we have learning resuming in our public universities.
Ni athiete na mbere kuuga ata muikarĩrĩte wa kamiti ya githomo kanji-ini ya magavana ni meharĩirie kunyitanĩra na kamiti ya githomo ya Senate niguo guteithĩrĩria kuiguithania miena yeri rĩrĩa gucania mugomo-ini uyu.
The government has made their offer. I call upon UASU that please soften up your stand. We understand the need of increment of your salaries, but please come down a bit, engage with the ministry, and look into the bigger picture, which is that of our children in the university and the professionals that we are trying to cultivate as a nation. If it becomes difficult, we are willing as COG to step in together with the Committee of Parliament led by Nelly and Senate to be able to, intervene in any negotiations so that we get resumptions back to our university.
Miario ya atongoria ya yukite riri ciama cia arutani na aruti wira university-ini cia muingi cia UASU na KUSU ithiete na mbere kwihanda itikunina mugomo wao nginyagia thirikari irihe mbeca ciothe iria maretia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 7.9 guku nayo thirikari ikiuga ndingihota kuriha mbeca icio rita rimwe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.